Today we're going to show you how to turn off the auto stop button on the 833 Precor treadmill with a P30 screen. So once you're at this menu, which is just the select a workout start, you want to hit pause 5 6 5 1 5 6 5. That will get me into the diagnostics. Hit down safety code. It'll go all through selecting hidden programs. Auto stop. Auto stop configuration is, I have it off because there is a sensor on the right side, right under here, that sometimes will get jarred loose, or up above that will get jarred loose, and it's directly behind here. So on the other side, I made another video that you take out 2 screws and you can see if that one come loose. If those aren't loose, I turn this off and hit stop. It'll take me back, select workout, and I can resume working with no problems, and it won't auto stop me at 30 seconds